Earning money has typically been associated with and restricted to traditional offline route. With the internet taking over a large part of our lives, more people are looking to ways to earn money online to increase their financial inflows, with say. You should be mindful of the platform that you choose. While there are numerous ways to earn money online, some of these might be fake. Also, do not expect to earn a huge amount quickly when using online avenues to earn money. With a situation involving more time at home and/or more free time in general, maybe fewer working hours for some of you might have some free time on hands. Here are online platforms, websites and tools that can help you earn money online. Freelancing has always been a popular way to earn money online, and the internet has several options. There are several websites offering freelance tasks for people with varying skills. All you need to do is to create an account, browse through the listings, and apply for the task that suits you. Some websites may even require you to create a personal listing with the details of your skill set, so that interested clients can contact. Outfiverr.com, Upwork.com, Freelancer.com, and WorkandHire.com are some websites that provide freelance jobs. You can earn anywhere between $5 and $100 through these websites. But remember, you will only get paid once you successfully complete the given task and it has been approved by your client. This may even mean revising the work several times unless the requirements of your clients are met. Some sites may ask you to set up a PayPal account, as most clients prefer to make payments digitally via it. There is enough material available online to help you put together a website. This includes choosing the domain, templates, layout, and the overall design for your website. Sign up for Google AdSense, which won't appear on your website and clicked on by visitors, help you make money. The more traffic you get on your website, the more will be the potential for higher earnings.